JointBreX is marketed as a joint health supplement that claims to reduce joint pain, improve mobility, support cartilage, and promote long-term joint health. The marketing makes it sound like an easy solution for aching joints, but the real question is, what doesn't the marketing say? Now, to be fair, some ingredients commonly found in joint supplements, such as glucosamine, chondroitin, turmeric, or collagen, have been studied for joint health. However, the evidence is mixed, and results vary from person to person. What it does well may support joint health. Depending on its ingredients, it may provide nutritional support for healthy joints and connective tissue. Easy to take. The supplement can be incorporated into a daily wellness routine, where the hype falls apart. It's not a cure for arthritis. No dietary supplement can reverse osteoarthritis, repair damaged cartilage, or cure chronic joint conditions. Evidence depends on the ingredients. Even if individual ingredients have scientific support, that doesn't prove the finished product delivers all of its advertised benefits. Results vary between individuals. Age, activity level, weight, and the underlying cause of joint pain all affect how well a supplement may work. So, should you buy JointBreX? Short answer, maybe, if you're looking for general joint support. If you're seeking a supplement to complement a healthy lifestyle, it may be worth considering. But don't expect dramatic improvements or replacement for medical treatment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.